give these ones a name. These are proportion questions, where you're given a percentage. And how do we write proportions or percentages as fractions? If something is 20%, can you write 20% as a fraction?
1 over 100.
20 over 100, which you could reduce, sure, to 1 over 5. Okay? And if you want a percentage of something, in this case, we want lemon juice 20%. If it's going to be a percentage to equal 20%, does it make sense that that would be lemon juice over total liquid? That's what we're looking for. If we want 20% lemon juice, we have to say how much lemon juice there is over how much the total liquid is. And this is the only part that can get maybe a little bit tricky, is because you have 2 liters of water and you're adding lemon juice to it. The number one mistake is people use a variable. I'm going to just use x. X is how much lemon juice we have. And the number one mistake that people do in this question is they just put a 2 for the total liquid. Because they say we have 2 liters of water, and they think of that as the total. But if I add lemon juice to the water, doesn't it get more liquid? My liquid is going to be whatever I started with plus the lemon juice that I added. So the number one mistake in this question, I'll write 1/5 here. The number one mistake in this question is saying, oh, you want 20% lemon juice? 20% of 2 liters is 400 mils. I'll add 400 mils. But it won't be 20%. Because now your total liquid is 2.4 liters. And 400 out of 2,400 is not 20%.
You gonna give the guess again?
It's in your head.
Half a liter.
So now, get my common denominator. This one I have to multiply by 2 plus x and 2 plus x. And this one by 5 and 5. And we get 5x equals 2 plus x. Combine your like terms.
Yeah.
Half a liter or 500 mils. What? I think L there for my units. Since we were dealing in units. So the trick in this one is that the total is always that's what you have to remember, that if a percentage is the amount over a total, your total will always be the amount you started with plus whatever you add. So if we look at the questions that we have to do for practice on this one, just question number 7. If we pull up question number 7 here, we want 6% bleach. That's 6 out of 100. We start with 47 liters. But your total, however much bleach you're going to add, oops, you start with 47. Start with 47. and just add X. That needs to be, right? We have to remember that our total is what we started with plus what we added. We're adding bleach to the water, giving our total liquid more. And we have to keep adding until the percentage of bleach over total is 6%. And then you just go ahead and solve that.